TERN has recently released the second generation Vektron range. Stay tuned to see what's new and to see if this is the right bike for you. Hi, I'm Andrew from Form & Design. If you like our videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, share the video with your friends and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. The TERN Vektron S10 is one of my favourite e-bikes, and the second generation changes make a great bike even better. Starting with the OCL frame joint, TERN has made it taller and stronger. The frame has been reworked with more room between the steering column and the seat post to accommodate an even wider range of rider heights from 145 centimetres to 195 centimetres, or 4 foot 10 inches to 6 foot 5 inches. The frame has been redesigned for additional strength without adding additional weight. The battery is now inclined backwards, which lowers the centre of gravity and improves handling. The frame redesign incorporates the new Atlas rack, which is much stronger than the previous rack, and the new rack has an increased payload with a capacity of up to 27 kilograms. It can now take a Yep Maxi or a Next Maxi seat without the need for adapters. The rack is also click-fix compatible, opening up a range of cargo carrying possibilities. The new rack's party trick is its ability to stand the bike up on end. This is great for storage. You can stand the bike upright, unfolded. This gives the bike a small footprint and is ideal for tight storage spaces. You can also stand the bike upright in the folded state. The Vektron S10 comes with Bosch's brand new Gen 3 motor, the Active Line Plus, which provides 250 watts of power and up to 50 Newton meters of torque. The new motor is very quiet and uses less components than previous generations, and with the Gen 3 motors, Bosch has opted to use a full-size chainring. The new motor is 20% lighter and 25% smaller than the previous model, delivering lower levels of vibration and a quieter ride with less pedal resistance, which is noticeable when riding with the power assistance turned off. This gives the rider a more natural feel and allows you to pedal faster when the power is switched off, or when you're travelling at more than 25 kilometers per hour when the motor assistance switches off automatically. When the bike is folded, it's easy to fit into the back of a large hatch wagon or SUV. The Vektron S10 is riding on Schwalbe Big Apple tyres, which are fast rolling and give a really comfortable ride. These tyres are wide and roll over bumps with ease. The Big Apple tyres also feature a Kevlar belt to improve puncture resistance. The Vektron S10 uses Magura MT4 hydraulic disc brakes, which give excellent stopping power in all weather conditions. The seat's padded underneath to make it comfortable to carry the bike upstairs. The compact Bosch Purion controller is used on the Vektron. It's neat and tidy, has all the necessary functions and information you need. The bike's also fully equipped with lights front and rear, and it has mudguards front and rear as well. It also comes equipped with a kickstand. Recently I rode a Gen 2 Vektron S10 to Australia's highest mountain on a rough dirt road. If you want to see that, click on the link at the end of this video or the link up in the corner at the moment to see how it went. If you want more information about the TERN Vektron range, or any TERN for that matter, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. If you're local to our store, then drop in and you can arrange a test ride. If you want to order online, there's a link at the end of this video, and we ship all over Australia. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. I'm Andrew from Forma Design. Thanks for watching.